Welcome back to my channel, myself Viji from Art and Craft. Today I am going to show how to draw rose using watercolors. This is basic technique and it will be useful for beginners and children who are going to learn. Here I have taken drawing book or you can choose A4 sheet. Before drawing, you choose the image which you are going to draw. After designing the image, draw outline using pencil. Make sure to give a light sketch using pencil. Don't make impression on paper because it will reflect while we are coloring. After finishing outline, just decide what color you are going to give. Here I am taking poster color from Camlin and I am deciding what are the colors I am going to use to color rose. After choosing color, make sure to start it from light colors. To make green color light and visible, mix the color using water so that the color will reflect light. Above the light color, we can make it darker by giving dark green without mixing with water. It will be difficult while we are trying to learn, but once you get started, you will know what color to mix and what color to use and how to color it. I am coloring a stem area using dark color because it will show the image to look real. I am using basic brushes. Once you are good at drawing, you can buy any types of brushes. I am covering the whole stem area using green color. Make sure to mix each and every color with water. First I am starting with light colors and going to shade with dark, so that the image will look real and good to see. I am showing this in time-lapse mode. Here I have finished giving light color, so by using dark green I am going to give outer color and make leaves to look real. Choose any color what you like to draw. Start to love drawing and painting. Once you are started, you will start to love playing with colors. Here I have finished the stem area using green color. the stem area is finished, I am going to start with the petals. Here I am covering the petals using yellow color because yellow is able to absorb other color and easily mix with other colors. So I am coloring with yellow. Now starting from red, I am covering a petal. Once red is mixed with yellow, it will turn into orange. I am covering whole area using red color so that the image will look real. Make sure to mix red with water where you need light colors and red without water where you need dark color. I am covering whole bud using red color. Once it is mixed with yellow, it will turn into orange. To make the image look realistic, I am using white color mixing with red where white gives a realistic image and realistic view of a painting. After finishing with white, I am going to use red and make sure each and every petal look separate from one another. So using red, I am giving outline. Making the petals to look visible and dark. All the best, friends. Just try to learn, love and start drawing. If you like this image and my drawing and my techniques, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Art and Craft by VG.